Hi to all, good afternoon. This is Winby Vlog and welcome. Thanks for dropping by. So guys, ay nagpa-cute naman si Mr. Pinili. Nandito naman ako guys sa supermarket. Nagala-gala guys, nagtingin-tingin lang kasi gustong bumili ng wafer chocolate. So dadaan muna ako dito sa mga biscuits, cooteds, and chocolates. So shoutout po sa lahat. And dito ako sa candy guys. Ang daming candy guys. Nako. Mahihilo ka sa kadaming stocks guys and items, then promotions, by promotions pala guys, ang daming special offer guys. Shoutout po sa lahat. Thanks everyone, don't forget to like. Thank you for dropping by and welcome. And guys, salamat sa inyong panonood hanggang dito na lang guys. Biscream, yan ang coated guys, digestive, yun ang guys, paborito ko guys. Then halawa guys, boom boom boom. Shoutout po sa lahat. It's Pinili Vlog. Maraming salamat and have a nice day. Salamat sa mga active subscribers.